family. I know I have been gone for a couple of weeks now, or almost 3 weeks, but I am back. I am going to give you guys another amazing hair care routine. As you guys can see, look at my bun. Whew. Yes, I've been away, but I've been taking care of my hair. If you don't know, November I straighten my hair, and then when I wash it out in December, I noticed that I had severe heat damage, so my hair got destroyed. December I wash it out. So January, February, let's say 2 months and a half now since I saw that I had heat damage, and my bun became tiny because my hair was so limp and so weak. I couldn't even put it in my bun because you need thick hair for the bun to stay. If I don't have, that voluminous hair, I wouldn't be able to hold my bun. So because of that, I just started doing just a slick down style. But to cut all of this short today, I'm going to take you guys through our intensive hair care routine. You can do this routine every 2 months if you are sensitive to protein. Like I am high porosity, my hair needs protein, but still the protein I'm using is very strong. So I do this only after every 2 months. If you do this regularly, you will have protein overload, and that can make your hair dry and brittle and will break off. If you are low porosity, I would say extend it longer. Maybe you can do this intense protein treatment maybe 3 times a year or 4 times a year. But I do this on my hair every 2 months until I can get my hair back to where I need it to be. But before that, we're also going to do another intensive treatment, which I haven't done for a while now. So I'm very excited for me to show you guys that treatment. If you are familiar with my channel, you already know that I used to use this a lot on my hair back in the day. So let's go and make that treatment, and then we'll come back and apply it to my hair. This is the next day. I'm now just going to pour this water out, and then we'll rinse our aloe vera and we'll start to extract the gel. Just going to slice our aloe vera in two, and this is how our aloe vera gel looks. I got a lot of gel in this. Now, if you want, you can just extract your gel and then use it, but the peeling is also really great for your hair. So I normally use my aloe vera also with the peeling. I just blend everything together.
Wow, so cool.
Yes, it is. Our hair is going to enjoy this.
I'm sure it will.
I'm now just going in with 1 cup of water. I'm gonna go in with a few drops of our secret oil. Go ahead, hanging on it. Just give it a good shake. This is a very easy way for you to make your aloe vera gel for your hair. I already applied the treatment on my hair. You guys have seen me apply treatment on my hair many times. And then I also put my stem cap on. I put my stem cap in the microwave for a couple of minutes, and then I just left it on. I'm now going to rinse this out, and then I'm going to go in and shampoo my hair. I'm done with my shampoo, done with my pre-poo. I'm just going to transfer my protein treatment to my spray bottle so I can easily apply it on my hair. Now this is the Alpha-G 2-step protein treatment. If this is too strong for you, then I recommend you find something a little bit less harsh. Why I'm using this? Because I'm still trying to reverse my heat damage. My hair is in a way better state now from where I started. Just beat myself in the eye. But if this is too strong for you, you can even just use this twice a year or 3 times a year. once I get my hair back to where I need it to be, I'll probably use this only 2 times a year or 3 times a year. Now with this treatment, a little bit goes a long way. They want you to apply shampoo here, so your hair needs to be clean. I'm just putting like, that's all on this section, and I just work it in. With me doing the aloe vera pre-poo treatment and then shampooing my hair is already very soft, doesn't have a lot of tangle in it, so it's easy for me to just pat it and apply this. Now, if you don't know the importance of protein treatment for your hair, our hair is made out of 95% of protein, and the protein gets depleted from so many factors. If you are constantly manipulating your hair, the weather, the environment, so we need to put that protein back into our hair. Now my regular hair care products, it have protein but not hash like this. It's just for a weekly maintenance. But if you need extra protein, you need to apply it to your hair depending on your hair porosity. Low porosity, your hair is very sensitive to protein, so just time it. See when your hair starts to become weak and mushy, then you know you are ready for protein treatment. High porosity, our hair love protein, but also make sure you don't overdo it. Don't applying it on this whole section. Once it starts to dry, make sure you do not manipulate it. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair. This is very messy, even in the spray bottle. I need to look for a creamy protein type because I had it dripping all over me. I'm done applying it. Let's go and sit under the dryer until it is completely dry. At this point, you don't touch your hair because when it's drying, it becomes very hard and brittle, and that can lead to breakage. So let's go and dry it. This is extremely hard. It's dry now, so I'm gonna go and rinse this out. I'm not going to use the air conditioner because it's difficult for me to detangle my hair. So I do not joke with detangling my hair. I need a lot of slip. So I'm gonna use our S Secrets conditioner. I'm gonna rinse this out, detangle my hair, then I will come back. I'm also gonna go in with a deep conditioner treatment because you have to put that moisture back into your hair. Done detangling my hair, this conditioner. Tangle hair friendly, 40 hair friendly. So I'm now just going to go and rinse this out, and then we'll come and deep condition our hair. I'm probably gonna leave my deep conditioner in for about 30 minutes or an hour because I'm also going to go and wash Aurora hair today. So let's go, and we are almost done. We are almost done. Don't forget, this is a complete routine that you can do on it every 2 months or every 3 months, depending on your hair routine, depending on how often you want to use protein treatment. But always remember, you need to incorporate protein treatment into your hair. So let's go and finish up this whole routine. And treatment max is in. I'm going to go pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes, so this can also help speed up my deep conditioner routine. Doing is just applying some oil on my scalp, massage that in, and then get our leave-in conditioner. That's too much. This much. Apply to the section. I love to do the LCO method and then a cream. Apply it and then seal all of that in with an oil. Now once I do this to my hair, I don't need to do anything else to my hair during the week. If I see my edges a little bit dry, I will just put some oil on my edges, on my treatment on my edges, and that's it. So I'm gonna go and put my hair in a bun, in my regular bun. I'm wearing it in my bun this week. And that's how I moisturize my hair. Very Simple, but it lasts me all week. This is the end of today's video. Always remember, this routine is not a routine for you to do every week. This is a routine for you to do every 2 months or every 3 months. So this is my complete protein routine, and make sure you also incorporate protein into your hair. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not also forget to check out my hair care line as secrets. I will leave all information down in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.